Hi, my name is Anders Westergren. I'm head of Solution Area Network Management in Ericsson, and I'm responsible for the network management product, which includes the future-looking EAC and EIAP type of products. We have this first developer conference today, and actually the most important question and the most frequent questions I get is, what do our customers think? And what do our customer want? And what is the best thing? I mean, it's of course to invite the customer. So I'm super happy to invite today Francesco Pellegrini from Swisscom, who's the product owner of radio network optimization. And he's going to tell us a little bit on how they see the future of radio network optimization using EAC and SMO type of concepts. Welcome, Francesco.
Hello, everyone. My name is Francesco Pellegrini. I work at Swisscom as a product owner in radio network optimization. And today I'm super happy to share with you the Swisscom journey towards providing the best mobile customer experience through automation and innovation. So at Swisscom, our main goal is to provide the best customer experience to our customer, driven by data in an automated way. For the past 10 years, Swisscom mobile network has been top ranked in Switzerland in different benchmark campaigns like Connect and Chip. Nowadays, data and automation plays a central role in all our activities. Advanced analytics help us to understand our customer needs and define the proper action. To do that, innovation is crucial and automation is our tools. However, we don't take our leading position for granted, and we continuously strive to improve and innovate to guarantee the best network for our customer. Of course, this is a challenging goal. We cannot achieve alone, which is why we require a strong technical partner like Ericsson. And early this year, Swisscom and Ericsson announced the expansion of their long-standing partnership with a new multi-year agreement. By leveraging Ericsson expertise and technology, Swisscom will boost innovation and drive the next period of growth of the best mobile network in Switzerland. As part of this agreement, there is the introduction of the Ericsson Intelligent Automation Platform, EIAP. This platform will provide to Swisscom a complete standardized solution to drive innovation and growth through automation in different RAN areas, like network optimization, network deployment, and network healing. By using a standard platform like EIAP, Swisscom can leverage on the Ericsson rApp's portfolio, as well as rApps available from other contributors to the open rApps ecosystem, which Swisscom may also contribute to in the future. Swisscom is a pioneer in automation. We started our journey in automation in radio network optimization several years ago. Over the year, several automation use cases has been developed as a result of collaboration with Ericsson or developed by Swisscom itself. We started this journey in 2017 with the introduction of some tilt optimization in an LTE network. Then we introduced several open loop use cases using the customer experience as main input data. Also, we introduced use case supported by AI, like performance diagnostic by Ericsson. We also developed a centralized algorithm to optimize mobility in an NSA 5G network. And last but not least, a couple of years ago, we also introduced a Swisscom Sonom solution for closed-loop automation. The continuation of this journey towards an automation approach using rApp will help us to fulfill and to achieve our automation goal for the next year, keeping our leading position in the market. Coming to the Swisscom rApp strategy, the first step for us is important is the integration of the Ericsson Intelligent Automation Platform into our current Swisscom automation framework. This is very important because it allows us to coordinate rApps with the use case that currently we have in operation. At the same time, we can access to all the data available in our Swisscom data lake. In the network optimization area, we are already collaborating with Ericsson as a FOA customer in different rApps. For example, the cell and uplink anomaly detectors, anomaly root cause explainer, rApp, and active antenna cell shaper. All these rApp bring AI into play. At the same time, we are already working on a couple of promising candidates as a first Swisscom rApp. As I said before, we are exploring at the beginning rApps in radio network optimization, but Swisscom aims to extend the use of the rApps to other RAN areas such network deployment or network healing. Finally, we would like also to explore and to test some rApps developed by third parties, leveraging on the open rApps ecosystem from Ericsson. This multidimensional approach, supported by our partnership with Ericsson, will allow us to keep the competition and leveraging on the different capability and the different opportunities offered by a standard approach and ecosystem, an rApp ecosystem. So we are really looking forward to optimize and to manage our network through rApps.
I think, Francesco, this was extremely interesting to hear your view and your advanced approach to this. We all know that Swisscom is one of the absolute world leaders in network quality. I mean, you described how you have gone about the network optimization journey. But if you would give some more details, how it has been going to a journey towards more automation and to more programmability, and now latest to the most intelligent network, how would you describe that journey?
Yes, yeah, we are very happy with the goal that we achieved. Today in a Swisscom mobile network, we have more than 30 use cases in operation in radio network optimization. And we can say now that 4G network is optimized almost through automation. And also in 5G tuning, we are really advanced using automation. So it's cool, but it was not easy. And one challenge that we faced, it was how to innovate. So how to innovate our processes while maintaining the network, the best network in operation, without reducing too much the efficiency. So we had to work a lot on that, changing our mindset in the network optimization processes. And and we really believe that moving towards a standard solution, like the Ericsson Intelligent Automation Platform, we should be able to manage this challenge in a better way than in the past, thanks to the full automation and full automation run and coordination of different rApps. So this is what
This is very exciting to hear. I guess you are, given this expertise, you are trying your own rApps as part of this as well, and maybe even transferring some of the older use cases to the new rApps. Have you started that journey, and in what areas are you focusing first?
Yes, our goal for sure is not to move all the use case that we have that currently in operation. So our idea, as you said, is for sure is develop our own rApps, and to do that, we need to change the mindset of the radio engineer. I have to say that we are already starting this changing of mindset, because if I think how we optimized the network 3-4 years ago, we mainly use tools from different vendors, and maybe we use some script, but now almost all the radio engineers has a good skill in coding, in AI, in big data management, and this is something that is very crucial if you want to start to develop apps. And yeah, as I say, for sure, we want to start with the apps coming from you as Ericsson, but at the same time, we would like to start also to develop something around. So we have already good candidates to do that. And yeah, I think that both approach, and then let me say, as a second step in the future, we are also interested to see what the ecosystem give us as a possibility, and to start maybe to interact with some other vendor. Yeah, that's the.
And I think the audience who are here today, they are probably super excited to hear where they should focus on to try to sell something to you, and what gaps would you think that are the most important or urgent for the ecosystem to focus on?
Yeah, for sure. As we are working in radio network optimization, our first focus will be in that area. As I say, we are already collaborating with you for a customer in different apps. We already have the performance diagnostic use case implemented as a standalone, and for sure we want to migrate this in the EIC as apps. We also have the rApp optimization in place from, let me say, 8 years, and we will for sure we want to evolve in the 5G. So radio optimization for sure is the first area, but as I said before, we want to also let me say get the whole benefit from this RAN automation platform. Is not only radio network optimization. We start to see something in radio deployment, as for example, we are interested in this zero touch approach, so using apps to speed up the cell acceptance, and to put the cell when it's on air to bring immediately in a network with a real optimized way. So, and also network healing, of course, is something that we are interested in. In Swisscom, we have different process to daily check the health of the different network element, and so it's between operation and optimization, and also we would like to leverage on rApp maybe to improve this kind of process. So that's our more or less yeah. So for sure, network optimization, because is our first law, but yes, for sure, we want to really leveraging all the possibility that this ecosystem will bring to us.
No, that's very interesting. You touched upon it before, but it sounds like a different mindset is required by the optimization engineer to in this where you can develop your own rApps. You can get rApps from a full ecosystem, not a few large players, but really look into the latest innovation and test things out, etc. How would you see that?
Yeah, that the change of mindset in the radio optimization engineer, let me say, it's something that is important if we want to really get the most of the benefit of this new opportunity that we have. As I say, we already start this transformation in our team. We develop, so now the old engineer in my team has a really good knowledge, as I said before, in coding, in the, let me say, how to access to the data lake, also to implement some first AI use case. But also here there is a challenge. There is a challenge because senior in radio is our core knowledge. And senior in radio is also the fuel if you want to develop new use case in the future. So the question is how much we have to continue to learn and to grow in this area without jeopardize our core knowledge. And this is the reason, and I believe that it becomes most crucial now, more and more, to collaborating, and we already start to do that, to collaborating more and more with our senior data science that we have in the company. So from this collaboration, I think this is really crucial if we want to develop, and we want to develop new use case more and more advanced, bringing AI bringing a combination of different big data sources. Because, as I say, we don't want to stop our learning in that area, but our core knowledge is radio. If we don't keep our seniority in that area, we will not be able in the future to continue to feed this new use case and new evolution.
Do you think that the innovation in the ecosystem, in the full ecosystem, can help Swisscom to differentiate towards other customers? That you can use this broad innovation in some way to differentiate?
Yes, I think so. So if I look in the last 5 years, for sure, automation already help us to manage the network complexity grow in radio network optimization. Try to keeping our leading position in the market without, let me say, losing in efficiency. But of course, this complexity in radio network optimization is not stopping for sure. So if we want to keep our leading position, we need more and more advanced use case. No, as I said before, combining different data source and introducing more and more AI. And I believe that to do that, the ecosystem, the rApps, and the Ericsson automation platform help us, to do that, to continue to differentiate Swisscom towards our competitor and maintaining our leading position, and we continue to have the best network in Switzerland. So yes, definitely this new change. The new change in the approach in radio network optimization, but again, not only optimization, in all RAN automation will help us to continue to manage the complexity growth that, as I said, is not stopping. So we need to continue to do something more in the future. Otherwise, we will stuck in that.
No, it sounds like we have an exciting future, and I hope that we can get the close contact with you and the rest of the ecosystem that are here today, so that they are provided with ideas how to create new stuff that can help you differentiate, and you can get the inspiration for some of the ideas that are coming, and we will have some not only ideas how to develop new stuff, but also get into contact with each other on what to develop.
Yes.
So thanks a lot, Francesco, for participating here and giving us the insight from the exciting Swisscom journey.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity to share, what we are doing.